Have you ever watched an AI-generated video that looks good but feels empty? The visuals move, but the sound feels disconnected. That gap ends today. This is the latest Vidu model, bringing sound, motion, emotion and visuals into perfect sync. Not stitched together, not edited later, generated together in one single step. Vidu Q3 is where you don't just see the story, you hear it, you feel it. Vidu Q3 is an all-in-one video generation system built for precise audio-visual synchronization. You upload images and write a prompt, and Vidu generates a complete video with synchronized sound, voice, motion, camera movement, and emotion. No manual alignment, no external editing. Everything happens naturally in one generation. This is why the campaign theme is simple. Vidu Q3, sound and vision in perfect sync. To get started, visit vidu.com, click on Sign Up, and create your account using email or social login. Once logged in, you'll land on the Vidu dashboard, where all video generation happens. Make sure you sign up using the invite link in the description to receive bonus credits and early access benefits. Inside the dashboard, you'll find the video generation panel. Before starting Q3, you can access it from the homepage toolbar right here. Q3 supports text to video, image to video, and reference to video generation. Now, let's open it and see how it works. Click on any options such as reference to video, image to video, or text to video. From there, you can choose the Q3 model. Here you can upload reference images, enter prompts, adjust voice settings, and control camera movement. What makes Vidu Q3 special is that audio, visuals, timing, and emotion are all controlled from one unified prompt system. Everything stays simple, fast, and connected. The core feature of Vidu Q3 is audio-visual sync in one generation. You upload images and write a descriptive prompt. Vidu generates both video and sound together. Motion, voice, pacing, and background audio move naturally as one. No post-editing. The sound is not added later. It is created together with the visuals.
I'm back.
With multi-shot camera control, Vidu Q3 lets you guide camera transitions inside a single prompt. You can move from wide shots to close-ups smoothly without cutting or stitching clips. All transitions feel cinematic and natural inside one continuous video. Vidu Q3 supports 16-second videos generated in a single shot. This allows deeper storytelling, stronger emotional build-up, and more impactful scenes for ads and short narratives. You can control voice tone and emotional style directly in Vidu Q3. Whether calm, energetic, or emotional, the tone stays consistent throughout the video. Lip sync support ensures spoken dialogue looks natural and believable. This is ideal for brand characters and recurring creator identities. Text in Vidu Q3 is rendered clearly inside the scene, not just as subtitles. The final output is full 1080p quality, clean and stable, with no distortion. Let's walk through a full workflow. Upload reference images. Set the video length to 16 seconds. Choose a voice tone and emotional style. Enter a cinematic prompt describing camera movement, dialogue, mood, and emotion. Click Generate and let Vidu Q3 produce a fully synchronized video in one step. This is the final result, shown full screen with the Vidu watermark visible.
Goddess, this is all your fault!
This was the only way. I only did it for us, and you're so selfish they can see it. You're of us. I only did it for us, and you're so selfish that you can't see it.
Notice the synchronized sound, smooth camera motion, emotional voice delivery, and overall visual clarity. This is the real output quality of Vidu Q3. Alongside Vidu Q3, the platform also includes Vidu Q2 and Q2 Pro for reference-based creation. Q2 Pro supports up to 6 reference slots, including images and video clips, making it useful for refining camera motion and visual consistency. You may also notice RefHub 2.0, a built-in reference library that provides cinematic subjects like camera moves and transitions to support faster creation.
Houston, we have a problem. I'm in the wrong jungle. And are these flower petals?
Here's Q3 in action. Audio and video are perfectly synchronized, supporting Chinese, Japanese, and English. Advanced camera control lets you switch angles smoothly in a single scene, from wide shot to close-ups on each speaker without extra editing. Two people having a conversation, multiple camera angles suggested. Wide shot, close-up on speaker A, close-up on speaker B. Audio waveform overlay showing synchronized audio. Modern cinematic lighting, realistic textures, Q3 control interface, visible with buttons to switch angles, labels for Chinese, Japanese, and English. Dramatic, clean, visually striking, 16:9 aspect ratio, cinematic thumbnail style.
Hello, and welcome to our discussion today.
We're excited to provide some insights with you.
Our goal is that providing understanding of perspectives is concrulo, and coincide insights the topic it had. And we believe that the understanding different perspectives for a complete picture.
In the latest rankings released by the AI benchmarking authority Artificial Analysis, Vidu Q3 ranked number 1 globally. The model placed ahead of Runway Gen 4.5, Google Veo 3.1, and OpenAI Sora 2, positioning Vidu among the world's top-tier video generation platforms. If you want true audio-visual synchronization, Vidu Q3 is built for it. Use the invite link in the description to get started with bonus credits. Sound on, story on. This is Vidu Q3.